Hello and welcome to Low Budget Gaming, and welcome to something a little different. This will be a quick unboxing and a short review for the Zebronics Max Premium mechanical keyboard. Now this is a budget entry-level mechanical keyboard. As I've never used a mechanical keyboard, I wanted to try it out, and my sister wanted something for typing, so we decided to get this one, as this one has the blue switches, which are the clicky ones. And these use, I believe, the Outemu Blue switches. It does not say that on the website, but I did a bit of research online and it turns out that these are the blue Outemu switches. These are basically Cherry MX Blue clones. The keyboard is quite reasonably priced. We paid 2,850 rupees, which is roughly $45. It has a full metal body, high quality finish, and RGB lighting as well, although the lighting is sort of fixed for each row, so you have a set of lights for each row and they do not change, so you cannot have like one color for all the keys, etc. You can turn them off as well using the function key. You can control that. So I'll just briefly go over the keyboard and then I'll do a quick sound test and I'll just give you my thoughts. So this is a 10 keyless variety, does not have the numpad. Good quality keys. It's quite heavy, actually. It was a lot heavier than I was expecting. Very good quality braided cable and a good gold plated USB connector. So now I'll show you a quick unboxing and a quick sound test, as well as the LED functionality as well. So that was a quick look at the Zebronics Max mechanical keyboard. Overall, I'm very impressed by this one because I wasn't expecting as much, but the build quality was the thing that impressed me the most. Perhaps the keys sounded a bit too loud for me, but this might be because I'm not used to it. But overall, the quality was very impressive. I'm very pleased with that. And a very elegant, simple design. Unfortunately, I haven't seen this sold anywhere else apart from India, so I've put the Amazon India link below. It might be sold under different names in different countries, so maybe that could be the reason. But anyway, if you are interested in a low budget mechanical keyboard, I would recommend this in India. Of course, if you are a gamer, maybe you should look for something with red switches, as the clicky ones might be too annoying, too loud basically. And yeah, I'm hoping to do more of these sort of low budget peripherals reviews and unboxing in the future. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.